Cold enough to make you shiver, but not cold enough to snow. Cold enough to know it's winter, perfect time to say our first hello. Scarves and sweaters bundled up in cotton, knowing names that wouldn't be forgotten, laughing over our own sense of humor underneath the Christmas lights that glow. I'm glad I got to know you better. We've come so far since that December.
Hello guys, it is Sam. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're doing another Getting in the Holiday Spirit vlog. If you know me, you know I love the holidays. You know that getting into the Christmas spirit is one of my favorite things to do ever. I already posted one video about that, but I had so many other things that I wanted to do. So we are going to do another one. Something that has crossed my mind recently is I'm hosting a Friendsgiving on Sunday, and when I tell you guys, there is so much Christmas stuff up in my apartment, which is great. But when I'm hosting a Friendsgiving, it's gonna be a little confusing because I also have so much Friendsgiving decor, like so I can have my table look really nice. So I have like fall stuff and everything like that. So it's gonna be really funny because I have Christmas stuff everywhere. But I always used to say Thanksgiving and Friendsgiving is more of a day to me, and Christmas is a whole season. Don't come at me if you don't agree. We can agree to disagree. Don't take that the wrong way. I love Thanksgiving. I love being able to spend time with my friends and family. So that's why I wanted to host one. And this is gonna be my first one ever. So stay tuned for that vlog. But this is a Christmas video, and I found really cute stuff in the store, so I knew I needed to make another video about this. So let me just show you guys what I'm talking about. I was in Walmart and I found these, and I just knew I needed to make a video about this because Elf is my favorite movie. So I found sugar cookie pancakes inspired by Elf. Please look at these. Are we kidding? So I had to get these. And then to top it off, I found the Elf syrup. Look at this. Is this a little extra? Yes, but you know what? It's okay because I'm really excited to make these, and it's going to start off our morning perfectly because I just feel like it screams Christmas vibes, and there's so many things I want to make in this video. There's so many things I want to do, but of course I have to start with breakfast, and I was just gonna make like Christmas pancakes, but then when I saw these, I was like, oh my gosh, that's perfect. So we are going to start off with these. These are the cute sugar cookie pancakes that I actually put in my waffle mold because I wanted them to be in a Christmas tree form. Now I have the sprinkles, and they also gave me icing. I don't know if I'm gonna use the icing because I don't know if that would taste good, but I guess we could try it on one of them. And then I have the Elf syrup as well. So I'm gonna put all this together and make a coffee, and then we are going to try it. Pancakes, and they smell so good. I only put frosting on this one because I was a little nervous, but I think it's actually gonna taste really good. And then I have my mug, which is from Target. I have some peppermint whipped cream, some coffee, and just a little straw, which I got from Amazon, and some sprinkles. Let's try the coffee first. Oh my gosh, it's really good. Let's try these pancakes. I'm kind of scared. Oh my gosh, those are really good. Hold on, I want to try it with the syrup. I also got these really cute Christmas tree paper plates from Target, and I think they're really fitting the vibe. Okay, let's give this a try with the syrup. Oh no, I'm nervous. It's just syrup, but that's really good. Now let's try this with a little frosting on top. This is how I kind of frosted it. I don't like that. I do not like the frosting. However, I do really like the sugar cookie pancake with the syrup. That just tastes like a pancake with sprinkles. Pretty good breakfast if you ask me. Popping in really quick to introduce today's sponsor of today's video, and that is Shop Cider. I am so obsessed with Cider's clothes, it's not even funny. I love them, and the quality is just amazing. Their clothes are buttery soft, and I literally can't even find the words to describe them. Cider is actually having a really good Black Friday sale, which is why I wanted to talk to you guys about them and include it in this video, because since the holidays are coming up, I felt like these would make the perfect gifts. Some things about Cider that I absolutely love, other than the quality, is the range of clothes that they have on their website. They have pajamas, they have bodysuits, they have skirts, dresses, rompers, pants, tops, literally anything you can think of they have, and it is all amazing quality. They even have hair accessories, and if that didn't catch your eye already, Cider is actually having benefits up to 70% off for their Black Friday sale, which is amazing. I will have all of Cider's information linked in the description box of this video, and everything that you see me try on in this video will also be linked down below. I just wanted to include this because I think it would make the perfect holiday gift, and there's just so many ranges that I feel like anyone could find a good gift from here. So first things first, I got this skirt. This skirt is one of my favorite things because first of all, the quality, like I said, is amazing. Second, it's stretchy. Like, look at this. I love when a skirt is cute, but it gives you some room just because it's more comfortable. The color is so nice. It's a cargo skirt, and I love the little buckle in the middle as well. I just think it's amazing. I got this skirt in a size medium. It has some real pockets on the back, which I love, and I paired it with actually this sweatshirt that I'm wearing right now. I love this sweatshirt so much. It says Manhattan, New York, and it really just gave me holiday spirit vibes because it's the colors of Christmas, white and green. It's just missing red, but you know what? It still works. I paired it with this skirt and some stockings and some boots, and it honestly looked so cute. I was obsessed with it, and I would highly recommend. This sweater is actually so comfortable. It's so thick, and it keeps me so warm. The next thing I had to get when I saw it was a pajama set, and the reason why I got this was because of what the bear was wearing. So I got these little pajama shorts, which I really like. I got this in a size medium. If I'm being honest, I should have got it in a size small because it is a little big. It's very stretchy, very cozy, and please look at the print. The bear is wearing a little bow, and it's red, and it just reminded me of Christmas. So when I saw this, I was like, oh my gosh. And then on top of that, it came as a matching set. I love matching sets. So it came with this button down shirt, and I love it, and it has the same pattern, and I just thought this was so cute. It has like a plaid material with bears on it, and it's adorable. I would definitely recommend. It's so comfortable, and it's also not thick, which I like because I don't like sweating at night, and that keeps me comfortable and cool when I'm trying to sleep. The next thing I got, which I'm really excited for, is this bow. Look at how pretty and silky this bow is. This is one of my favorite things that I got just because I've been really into hair bows, and this is just such a big one that looks so cute, and I really like it. Like, look at how cute. I'm literally obsessed. Oh my gosh. They go on perfectly. This didn't move in my hair all night when I wore it, and I really liked that. Another really cool piece that I will be wearing during the holidays is this romper or jumper. I'm not really sure exactly what I would call it, but I do know that I love it. So it's green. It looks like this, and it's a pant romper. You guys will see better on in the try on haul. The only thing I will say is that it's very long, so I have to get it tailored just because I'm short and it's very long on my legs, but I love it so much. The material is amazing, and again, it's very stretchy. It has that like ribbed material in the back, which I really like, and I don't know, I just love it. As soon as I tried it on, I was obsessed with it. The next thing I got is this little dress. This dress reminded me of an angel, so I got this, and I think it's so pretty. It's a little white silky lace dress, and it has bows on the back, which is so nice, and it has like little flowers on the pattern, if you guys can see. The lace is so delicate, and it's just one of my favorite dresses. I'm not really sure where exactly I would wear it. In the try on haul, I paired it with a leather jacket, which I actually really thought was really cute with some stockings. The next thing I got, and I feel like you can never go wrong with, is a bodysuit. Especially during the holiday season, I love layering things, and I wanted to get a cute little bodysuit that would make that possible. So I got this bodysuit right here. It is so soft, so stretchy. It's like buttery soft though. I love it. And I got this in a size medium, and I'm showing you guys this this right now because I paired it with this beautiful leather jacket. I got this jacket in a medium because I wanted it to be a little oversized, and it is perfect and so soft. So it's this little leather jacket, and it has very cute buttons, and I feel like it's perfect for layering. The leather on this jacket is so soft. It has a little collar, and I don't know, I really like it. It has also a little stretch on the bottom, which is amazing, and I just thought it was good to pair with literally anything I showed in this video. The next thing I got, and again, very, very cute, very excited about it, is this little top. It looks so cute. So it's this gold and blue crop top, and I love it. I paired it with my skirt, and the design on it is so cute. This silk reminds me of like a ribbon, and I really like it. I think that I would honestly probably wear this more with jeans, but it still was really cute, and I would recommend because it's adorable. And I also got this in a size medium. With that is everything that Cider sent me, and I am so excited. Definitely be sure to check out their deals and go get benefits up to 70% off for your holiday shopping or holiday looks or even gifts. Thank you again to Cider for sponsoring this portion of the video, and let's continue on with our holiday spirit vlog. I am going to Home Goods and Target because I feel like my apartment is missing something, so I want to look for garlands and just more decorations for my apartment. I also have to stop and get Bailey's because I want to make a sugar cookie martini, and I don't have any of that, so I have to get that. I have to get sprinkles and also some frosting and molasses because I'm going to make gingerbread cookies later. So we're going to head to all of those places now. I also might stop and get a refresher or a peppermint mocha. I'm not sure yet. We're gonna see how I feel. I also might just get it in Target when I'm there. But first thing, we have to put on Christmas music, of course, and I'm gonna go to Target first because Home Goods is on my way home.
Well, I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all from the lights.
I just got a few things and I'm proud of myself. So I got red and green cookie icing for my gingerbread cookies. I got paper towels because I literally have none, but the price was crazy, so I only got one because I want to go to Costco with my mom this week and I'll get like a whole bunch then. Got vanilla icing. I got the sprinkles that I needed. And then you're supposed to use either milk or some other type of cream. I think it's like rum chata, but I'm allergic to that because some have coconut in them and I don't want to risk it. So I'm going to use milk and hopefully it tastes good. So I just got whole milk. Now I'm going to run and get Bailey's, and then we're gonna go to Home Goods. I just got back from shopping and I'm so excited. I got some more decor, so we're going to have to decorate the rest of my apartment. The first thing I found, which I'm so excited about, is this little cookie jar, and it's like a house, but it's hand painted and it has my theme, which is pink, white, green, and it's just missing gold, but it's so cute. And it's a jar, so I'm gonna put cookies in it, which we are going to bake later. I saw this and I was looking for a gingerbread cookie jar, but this is pretty close and it's still really cute. The next thing I got, which I will use a little later in my video, is this wine glass. I got another one that looks exactly like this, and then I got 2 martini glasses as well. Look at how elegant and pretty this looks. This is the martini glass. I want to make a sugar cookie martini in this video, so we are going to try that with this, but look at how pretty. This isn't really Christmas, but I got this because I've been wanting a new teapot, and I just thought this was so pretty, so I picked this up when I was at Home Goods as well. The next thing I got is this little white Christmas tree. It's like the gingerbread theme, and I'm so excited about it because I think it's going to match my vibe perfectly. I got this tree as well. I want to put garland and fake snow under my TV out there, so I'm going to do that. I don't have fake snow yet, so it might not be complete in this video, but we're gonna try to make it as complete as we can. I got some of this, I don't really know what it's called, but it is a vanilla peppermint fragrance, and it has like the pine cones and a snowflake, and it smells so good. I'm literally obsessed with it. The last thing I got are stocking holders. So you put your stocking on them, and I want to put them above my TV in my living room because I think it'll look cute. And this is just some reindeer, and I really like them. I still have to get a stocking for my boyfriend, but I have mine. I am going to decorate my apartment now and put all of this up because I'm really excited and I want to see how it turns out. I just finished decorating and now I'm gonna make homemade gingerbread cookies. I love gingerbread so much and I just felt like this would be the perfect thing to make. I got molasses and all the ingredients I need from the store. Make my sugar cookie martini right now. It is Bailey's Tito's whole milk frosting for the rim with sprinkles, so let's see how this goes.
Take a look out the window. Spirit goes up as the rain falls down. I've been sailing on the wrong course, keeping it together like I did before. Think that I've said this a few times. Even with that, has it ever felt right? I swear that this has happened every moment. Can I just be honest? I was only wondering, and maybe we could take it to a different conversation. Things will get uncomfortable, but only if we make it. I just wanna say that, but you'd rather take it all back. Although you are sunlight, you stay in the shade.
I just made it. Let's give it a try. It's actually really good. I like the rim a lot. It's very festive. I'm waiting for my dough in the fridge to cool and to be chilled, and then we're going to finish the gingerbread, but so far it tastes really good. Day because I forgot to film this clip, but I did all of my cookies and you guys, they taste so good. I'm so proud of myself. I put them all in here and let's do a little taste test, even though I already know what they taste like. They taste so good, so Christmassy. I'm so excited and I love this jar so much. I need to get this video posted by tomorrow. It's Thursday right now, so I am going to end the video here. I hope you guys liked having another little Christmas vlog with me. Remember to go shop Cider. I'll have everything linked down below, and thank you again to them for sponsoring this video. And I'll see you guys really soon in my next video.